Pag-usapan natin why it makes sense to use Maya. First, ang daming cashback, random vouchers, and discounts. Hindi ko sure kung may qualifications ba, but I'm sure meron para makareceive ng vouchers from Maya. Kasi ako, ginagamit ko lang yung Maya pambayad ng internet bill. But yung makareceive ka ng text at random times of the day na may free voucher, 10 pesos, 20 pesos, nakakatuwa. Dati, hindi ko nakiklaim. Sayang kasi na-expire pala. So, pag tinext kayo, claim nyo agad kasi sayang naman. Second, ang ganda ng app nila. Very sleek, classy, saka one-stop app na siya in managing your finances if you like. E-wallet for day-to-day transactions, may bank na mataas yung interest rates but need siya i-qualify, so sa part na yon medyo tamad ako. May Maya credit card, loans, and number 3, ang ganda ng Maya card. Super light, very premium yung itsura niya. Pwede din gamitin abroad, no forex fee at competitive ang exchange rate. In terms of security naman, parang